Yeah, the bifolding doors are amazing. I mean, we've got them in the end of our kitchen diner. So you open them up and that space becomes part of the garden. Literally, you know, they fold right away out of sight and look absolutely fantastic. And the good thing about them as well is they're not stiff to open. I mean, there's so many bifold doors I've used in the past that you try and open them and it's a real effort. You have to get right behind them. These, you open the main door and just push and they glide open. It's really, really good. And the other feature I really like is the integrated Venetian blinds, solar electric. They don't get dusty and look fantastic, take out the sunlight and yeah, look really smart as well. The quality of the product is second to none. Also, the after sales is really good. Not that we've had any problems, but any questions we've had about the doors, it's been answered immediately. And yeah, the company is very efficient. And you know, the old kind of image of kind of double glazing sales is a bit dodgy, but express bifolding kind of really set the standard now for other companies to follow, I think. Well, you know, I shouldn't have come because we just finished the house, but literally now I'm really taken with these huge sliding door panels with minimalist frames. I mean, the frame's like worth 34 apparently, but now they're like down to 25. So the less frame and more glass is what everyone wants. And now I want it as well. It's really, the quality of the product is excellent, especially having used it a lot now. You know, we've had it in the house for 6 years because that's when we started building, but the doors have been there through thick and thin, all weathers. When the house has been open to the elements, the doors have been there and everything is working seamlessly still. Nothing leaks, it's all perfect. And also one thing that was great for me, the controls for the Venetian blinds sit at the top of the door, but we found that it was challenging. I had to wait till someone came around to open them. But the service team came out, lowered the controls to about my height, hid the wires away in the rubber frame, so you'd never know now that they were moved. And now I can access them and open and close the blinds, no problem.